Mobile gaming has a heat problem, but REDMAGIC just brought a nuclear solution. This is the Cooler 8 Pro 36 watts of raw cooling power, designed to turn your smartphone from a thermal throttler into an ice-cold gaming beast. REDMAGIC has launched the Cooler 8 Pro, a smartphone cooling accessory featuring its 8th generation cooling architecture. The device includes a self-developed AI temperature control system. Is it the new king of mobile cooling? Let's find out. First look. The Cooler 8 Pro sticks with that iconic REDMAGIC mecha aesthetic. It weighs in at a light 113 grams, so it doesn't ruin your phone's balance. It features a magnetic quick-release design using 52 neodymium magnets. If you're on iPhone, it snaps right on. Android user, REDMAGIC includes a magnetic sticker in the box. Notice the air vents? It uses a vertical airflow design. Hot air blasts out the top and bottom, away from your hands, so your grip stays comfortable even during a 5-hour rank push. Under the hood, this thing is a monster. 36-watt peak power. That is a 130% performance boost over the previous generation. Custom tech plate. A massive 40 by 40 mm semiconductor cooling area with 24 pairs of micro-cooling pumps. The results. It can drop an idle phone to -25 degrees under a unheavy 15-watt gaming load. It maintains a steady 25 degrees. The fan. An 11-blade customized fan spinning at 6,500 RPM, yet somehow staying under 36 decibels. It's whisper quiet for streamers who need clean audio, but raw power is nothing without control. The Cooler 8 Pro introduces a self-developed AI temperature control system. Using high-precision NTC sensors, it monitors your phone's heat in real time. It automatically adjusts the intensity to prevent the one thing every gamer hates: condensation. Open the app to customize the 6 RGB lighting effects, or kick it into destroyer mode for maximum 36-watt output when you're playing the most demanding titles. In our tests, we saw the CPU maintain high-frequency operation for significantly longer. In Genshin Impact, we saw average frame rates jump from a stuttery 113 frames per second to a rock-solid 118.9 frames per second. No more thermal throttling, no more dimmed screens. Just pure, unadulterated performance. At an introductory price of just $33, the REDMAGIC Cooler 8 Pro isn't just an accessory, it's a performance upgrade. If you're a heavy gamer or a professional streamer, this is the best money you can spend to keep your gear alive. Let me know in the comments, what game are you going to test this on first? Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.